Can you solve all these Class 10 Maths Chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry questions? So equal to...
You got it. Without a cos of fits.
Calculate cos. 2.866 is sound. What is trigonometry?
Bravo. The study of triangles is the answer.
What is the cosine ratio?
Great thinking. Adjacent over hypotenuse is right.
What is the tangent ratio?
Excellent. Opposite over adjacent is well reasoned.
Without 30 plus cos 60 tan 45 equal to. You chose one. Correct. What is the ratio for cosine?
Exactly, edge-hip makes sense.
How many minutes in 1 degree?
Correct response. 60 is accurate.
What is the ratio for tangent?
Great job. Op Aj is accurate.
If tan equal to 4,3, then coda equal to dash.
Valid point 3p4 is true.
If cosa equal to 4p5, then tan equal to.
Well reasoned, 3pi4 is correct. Is tan the reciprocal of cota? Smart pick, yes is correct.
Trigonometry derived from dash.
Well done, Greek is right.
If sine equal to 1, then cosa is dash.
Right choice. Zo.
We can use so katoa for dash.
Solid response. Right triangles only is valid.
State true or false is sin equal to what sec?
Right again. False is valid.
How many trigonometric ratios are there?
Sharp thinking. 6 is right.
If x and y are complementary angles, then...
Good thinking. Sec equal to cos C is right.
The point lies in which quadrant? Nice selection. Kh is correct.
If cos equal to 4pi5, then the value of tan is... Good job. 3pi4 works well.
Which set of sides would make a right triangle?
Excellent choice. 5, 12, 13 is right.
Do we ever solve a problem using the right angle? On track. No is correct.
State true false seca is not defined for a equal to 90 deg. Nice work. True fits perfectly.
State true false cot A is the product of cot and a...
Correct. False is spot on.
Which of the following does not belong to the group?
Smart move. Cosecant is accurate answer.
The Pythagorean theorem only works on which triangle?
You're right. Right is correct.
If cos equal to 0, then sin is reduced to dash.
Nicely done. Cos 2b is solid.
True or false is the symbol for representing seconds.
Strong choice. True is right.
Is it possible for a triangle to have two obtuse angles?
Well picked. No is correct.
If sin are equal to 80/17, the value of sec a thing plus things what is?
Perfect. 23.8 is the one.
Distance between the points and is dash are units.
Bravo.
5 is the answer.
What are the only types of triangles we can use trigonometry with? Right again. Right is valid.
What trigonometric function is the reciprocal of the sine function?
Great job. Cosecant is accurate.
Which of the following holds true about the trigonometric functions?
Well picked. Cosine secant is correct. What angle satisfies the ratio of the adjacent side to the hypotenuse? Good job. Cosine works well. In a right-angled triangle, the side opposite to right angle is called. Exactly. Hypotenuse makes sense. State true falsicosa is the abbreviation used for the cosecant of angle A. Excellent choice. False is right. Which is the trig function that relates the opposite side and the hypotenuse? Well done. Sine is right. Ratio of sides of a right triangle with respect to its acute angles are known as. Right choice. Trigonometric ratios of angles is best. If the distance between the points and is 5, then the value of x is. Clear logic, 7 or 1 is sound. What is the side of the right triangle that is opposite to the right angle called? Great thinking. Hypotenuse is right. Say true or false if A and B are acute angles such that sin A equal to sin B, then A equal to B. Nice work. True fits perfectly. What is the helpful phrase we can use to remember the trigonometric ratios functions? You got it. So, cot fits. State true, false if the value of sin increases as theta increases from 0 deg to 90 deg. Excellent. True is well reasoned. In a right-angle triangle ABC right-angled at B, what will be the sum of angle A and angle B? Smart pick. 90 degrees is correct. If you are given the two sides that are not the hypotenuse, which trig function should you use? You chose tangent, correct? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics that studies relationships involving lengths and angles of dash triangles. You're right. Right is correct. If you are given two of the sides to an obtuse triangle, which trigonometric function should you use to find the other side? Good thinking. None of the above is right. Which side is opposite angle x? Sharp thinking. 2 is right. Find cos C, reduce if necessary. Correct response. 54/17 is accurate. What is the adjacent side to D? Well reasoned. DF is correct. Use the law of sines to solve for BC. Valid point. 33 is true. Solve for x, round to the nearest tenth. Solid response. 9p9. What side is the hypotenuse of the triangle? Or strong choice. 41 is right. Find the measurement of the missing side indicated. Nicely done. 2.5 is solid. In triangle ABC, x equal to 7 cm, BC equal to 24 cm, then cosa is. Perfect. Sample 25 is the one. Cos B equal to. Remember, cosine ratio is adjacent hypotenuse. Smart move. Febka 13 is accurate answer. The word jiva was translated into sinus, which means dash. On track. Curve is correct. Which trigonometric function would you use to find the angle? Nice selection. Sine is correct. The trigonometric ratios of an acute angle in a right-angled triangle express the relationships between the angle and the lengths of the sides of the triangle. Correct. True is spot on. Observe the figure and answer the question. The value of 2 cosa sinks is. Sharp thinking.
T is right. Find the measure of the indicated angle round to the nearest tenth. Correct, 55 spot. Find the length of side up. MC equal to 53 degrees, MB equal to 44 degrees, A equal to 7. Correct response, 8.0 is accurate. What is the measure of angle? BC equal to 37 cm, AB equal to 29 cm, and MC equal to 50 degrees. You got it, 70 degrees. In the given triangle right-angled at B, which pair of angles are complementary? Excellent choice. C and A is right. Find the length of the missing side x dash. Round your answer to 1 decimal place. Well picked. 3.5 cm is correct. State true or false. Trigonometry can be used to measure the height of a building or mountains. Strong choice. True is right.
In the adjoining figure, ABC is a right triangle right-angled at B, AB equal 24 cm, BC equal to 7 cm. Using the figure, answer the question. The value of sin is...
Bravo. 7th is the answer. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format. Well reasoned. Contact Narayan Chengder on Facebook is correct.